This is Simi and Sunny. Simi and Sunny want a baby. They are trying to find a solution to their infertility problems. They are not getting proper direction. You know why? They have very little knowledge about infertility treatments and hesitate to discuss with anyone. They are worried. What will their family, friends and society think of them? How to find a trusted and advanced fertility center to help them in fulfilling their dreams? Will they ever be successful in completing their family with pride and confidence? For all fertility-related queries, Crysta IVF is there. We can help. Everything will be fine. Highly experienced fertility doctors and medical team, advanced lab and infrastructure, dedicated patient counseling and support, complete transparency and no hidden cost, ensures high fertility treatment success, follows COVID-19 protocols. Simi and Sunny did खुशियों की शुरुआत in their life with the right choice. Are you also ready to start? To book an appointment with Crysta IVF, call at 893-893-5353.